When we talk about that post-pregnancy depression, activity, grounding, stress management, ये सब कुछ आपका movement से ही cure होगा. You should incorporate walking, light cardio, and then eventually once you're post that 8-week, 12-week period, then you start a bit of strength training as well, along with ER exercises like pelvic floor exercises.
अरे विराट कोहली ने तो 10 साल से मीठा छुआ भी नहीं है, हम भी करेंगे. You don't want to be that. और आपने अभी तक एक डंबल उठाया नहीं है, आप वो सारी बातें कर रहे हो.
Yes.
First start with small things, right?
Yes. He's Virat Kohli. He's playing nationally for the entire India, for the entire country.
Yeah.
लोग उसको
Training
देख
for
रहे
so
हैं.
long.
Training
Yeah.
for so long. उसको उस लेवल का करना पड़ेगा. You are just a normal person who is doing job in IT. आपको नहीं भागना वहाँ पे सर्किट्स पे. North India में वो बहुत चलता है. पंजीरी.
और हमें वही बोलते
Panjiri.
पंजीरी.
Oh, that was my favorite.
Yeah.
I love
मतलब-
That's just carbs and fats.
A relative of mine, she told me पंजीरी आई होगी, पिनिया आई होंगी, ज्यादा मत खाना because that is where you increase your weight.
Yeah,
you know?
just because we are so aware right now, हमको प्रोटीन पंजीरी चाहिए शायद.
Yeah, I
Rather
think
than
that
mixing,
would
you know,
be. Can we actually do that?
Yeah,
Can
for
we
sure.
add a scoop of
Why
whey
not?
protein while
Yeah,
making?
yeah.
Wow, that's
Why not?
that's a
That's
very
a game changer.
The trend keeps changing. पहले बोलते walk करो, then
Yeah.
it came to Pilates, then
Yes.
it like okay keto diet, you know, then it was like intermittent fasting. So it keeps
Yes.
changing, and then you're like अच्छा अब मैं ये try कर लेती हूँ, अब मैं ये कर लेती हूँ.
As humans, we are like very impatient. So we need something instantly. वो medicines में भी दिखता है. Say if you're feeling stressed, you'll be like, okay, let's go to bar and have a drink. क्योंकि instant है ना, क्या effort करना पड़ रहा है. Because of that hangover and everything, your entire next day is getting ruined. यहाँ पे environment, lifestyle बहुत अलग है इंडिया से. There are different challenges. For example, we don't have our maids and all, you know, who are cooking for us. Cooking बहुत बड़ा challenge है. We need something quick. We need something sustainable. तो जब वही stay fit की बात आ जाती है, you need something long term, something that you can follow long term in this country. There are time management issues. हम सारा कुछ already our house chores, careers and everything, we are doing everything by ourselves. So environment बहुत अलग है. When it comes to the common myths and all and common mistakes जो लोग करते हैं, it's mostly around nutrition. And अगर मैं ratio में बताऊं, when it comes to fitness, it's 70% around the nutrition aspect of it and 20-30% would be around your workouts, your recovery, sleep and everything. That's another question. बहुत raw sense में मैं इसको बोलूंगा. Why are doctors unfit? I don't understand.
As a mom of two, I've been struggling a lot with my fitness journey since I became a mom for the first time. And since then, I've learned a lot about fitness, health, nutrition, mental health, especially in my own ways. And that's why I'm super excited to have a very special guest today with us here on the Modern Sakhi podcast. Let's welcome Jatin Sachdeva. He is a fitness trainer, coach, a nutritionist here in Canada. He came to Canada in 2018 as a student, and now he successfully runs his coaching business in Canada. And let's chat with him. Let's get to know what he does, what was his journey, and we can share a lot of tips, a lot of myths that a lot of people don't know about fitness. So let's address all of that in this very interesting conversation.
Welcome, Jatin. Thank you so much for coming to our podcast. And this is the Modern Sakhi podcast where we talk about everything, you know, which is so common but yet not so common.
We bring the whole intent was to bring out meaningful conversations with people, because in today's day and age of internet, AI, social media, we are kind of losing that touch. And podcast is coming back because we're having those slow, meaningful conversations with people. So this whole format is coming back again.
Yeah.
And that's why we are really excited to have you, because fitness is a lifestyle,
Yes.
right? It can't be just something you do for a very short term. So we'll discuss all of that with you today. So welcome to the show.
Sure. Thank you so much. I'm honored. Yeah. Thanks for inviting me.
So let's just start with a little bit background, you know, so like where are you from? Like
Yeah.
what made you come to Canada and
Yes.
how did you get into the fitness journey?
For sure. So I'm basically from Punjab, specifically from Bathinda. I came here in like 2018. So 6 years back as an international student. And what got me into fitness, and to be honest with you, like when I started my transformation back in like 2021, this was like my fourth attempt into fitness.
Okay.
तो आई हैव बीन दैट गाय जो कभी स्पोर्ट्स में नहीं रहा, जो कभी यू नो फिजिकली एक्टिव
Oh,
ऐसे इन
really?
चीज में कभी नहीं रहा. या
I would have never thought that way.
या
Exactly. Looking
Hello?
at him now.
Yeah.
maybe that's the hunger, you know, that throughout my childhood that was, you know, increasing in me towards this thing.
Because you were missing that
I
part.
was missing something. Yeah, तो वो फील होता था. And plus जिस तरह से नॉर्थ इंडिया में थोड़ा कल्चर है, this
पढ़ाई
physical
करो.
thing and everything, it matters a lot, especially
does.
when it comes to, you know, guys.
Yes.
Yeah.
It does.
And तो वो चीज मिसिंग होती थी. maybe that thing got compounded throughout those whole first 18-20 years of my life. And वो एक अंदर होता है ना, एक वो कीड़ा होता है तुम्हारे के I need to do this. Whenever I am like, okay, fully equipped with, my resources, I am, stable financially, when I can afford things and all, I'll definitely do this. तो पिछले 10 साल से मैंने बहुत बारी try किया, but due to lack of knowledge and everything, I failed. But this time, this was like my 4th attempt into fitness in 2021. And I was certified. I had the proper knowledge, resources, accountability, consistency, and all. And within like 5 months, consistently with 200% focus, within like 20 weeks, I was able to transform myself. I lost like 80 kgs of weight. Sorry, I went from 80 kgs of weight to 68 kgs within like 5 months, 20 weeks.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah. So that's how it has been. And that's my entire motive and ideology of my coaching is, okay, if you are, if you're trusting yourself enough, if you believe in yourself, and you follow the right direction, you just need to figure out, okay, whatever is the right process or right set of routine that can work in your case. क्योंकि जब फिटनेस की बात आती है, बहुत पर्सनलाइज चीज है. हर एक का प्रोफेशन डिफरेंट है, हर एक का लाइफस्टाइल डिफरेंट है. द काइंड ऑफ फूड दैट यू लाइक, द काइंड ऑफ फूड आई लाइक, इट्स वेरी डिफरेंट. So that's where I come in. I design all those highly personalized systems and plans for you, so that you can achieve this thing and also choose to stay fit throughout your life. You can make it sustainable. So that's the whole ideology.
Because the
behind
problem with, I think, fitness is people are not consistent. Like with me also, I'll be consistent for maybe 15 days. Uske baad tata bye bye ho jati, and then again, start from scratch. So something like this where you're providing, a sustainable routine would be really, really helpful for a lot of people.
Because I read a quote somewhere that if it's a nightmare to maintain that body, then it's not the ideal fit, like that shouldn't be the goal then. Because you shouldn't be having the stress. That's why most people stop working out or stop following that fitness or that health part, a health journey, because they feel like it's so much work that they have to put in, and that doesn't make sense to them. So sustainability, I think, is the key here.
और इसके अंदर मेजर गैप ये भी आ जाता है, क्योंकि जब हम किसी चीज को फॉलो करते हैं, लाइक सीइंग ऑल दैट कंटेंट दैट्स अवेलेबल ऑनलाइन, that's all content is related to like bodybuilders and all. We are not bodybuilders. Those are like 0.5% of the entire population of the world. You need to accept you are a normal person जिसका कुछ और career है. This is not your career. You want to adopt general fitness. Correct. So you don't need that level of perfection, कि 9 बजे मैं ये खा रहा हूँ, 11 बजे मैं ये खा रही हूँ, all these things. You don't need all that perfection.
Also I feel because like that the social media part that you got, जिसमें हम हमेशा देखते रहते हैं, but the thing is the trend keeps changing. पहले बोलते वॉक करो, then you start looking at videos, okay, इतना वॉक करना चाहिए, finish those steps. Then it came to Pilates. Then it's like, okay, keto diet, Then it was like the fasting that we do, intermittent fasting. So it keeps changing, and then you're like, अच्छा अब मैं ये try कर लेती हूँ, अब मैं ये कर लेती हूँ. So there are so many myths about,
and that's exactly why it's personalized. Not there's no one solution fits all. Right?
Correct.
Yeah. Basically, when it comes to fitness, as a consumer, you need to understand कि ये जो trends आते हैं, overall, someone is running a business. These are all like marketing techniques. Someone wants to promote a keto diet, they will run a marketing campaign. आपको keto दिखेगा. Or if someone is, promoting all those fat burning supplements and all. तो यही एक goal है, like, throughout my coaching and the whole ideology as well. I want to make you literate when it comes to these things. And I think अभी जिस तरह से सारा कुछ, modify हो रहा है, और education reforms and everything is coming up. This should be done right from the childhood. Like जब आप बच्चे को टेबल सिखाते हो, why don't you teach them basic things about the food as well? It should be right from there itself, ताकि आपकी foundation starting से ठीक हो.
That is such a great point that you said, because as kids हम लोगों को बस ठीक है, like of course you were more physically active if you see kids these days, if you compare, but you were never taught like the importance of food, or like what is something that you should eat more, or you should focus more on.
Nobody knew that back then. Our parents didn't know. Also, we did not have as many choices, unhealthy choices that we have today. Back then they did not exist, especially in India. They did not. So naturally हम थोड़ा fit ही थे. I think उस time के, like, we are millennials, so I'll talk from millennial perspective. If you see back then, the fitness thing was not a big issue amongst children, but these days days because they're all the time sitting in front of a screen for hours since they are like toddlers. This is very important now.
Yeah.
And as a mom, like since we both are moms, we have now started focusing more on that as well. Ki, jaisa, like, you know how I was talking to you before we started recording, ki, just mindful of small things. Ki, don't eat sugar on an empty stomach.
Yeah.
Because when we go to anyone's house, it's so hard for me to say no when they give them juice. And I'm like,
Yeah, the first thing.
do not give them juice.
Yeah.
Like my heart, I get anxious. Like, why are they giving juice? It's
Yes.
only sugar
Yeah.
on an empty stomach, right? So I just stick with water, but then kabhi you can't say much.
Yes.
But these small things that parents can be mindful of, ki, you know, give them more fruits, give them more like whole foods, and instill those habits since they are babies. Then it won't be that hard. If you start a little late, then even for children it gets hard. So it's a good point that they should start this in childhood itself.
Yeah, and there are studies like, you know, in India also that most of the kids are on the obese side these
Yep.
days, right? So like it's so important, as you said,
Yeah.
that it's the initial years where you set those foundation years of like eating correct is so
Yep.
important.
Yeah.
So we'd like to know what exactly is. You started your coaching formally. You said you started it a year back, right? But your own physical transformation was in 2021.
2021, yeah.
So you got certified, and then what kind of clients do you train, and what is the common mistake that you see people making in your experience? Because you've coached over 155
Yes,
people
yes.
so far in just 1 year, which is great.
Which is great, yeah.
Thanks. Yeah, so when it comes to like, you know, the variety of clients I worked with, they are mostly based in, you know, Indians based in Canada and US. I mostly worked with NRIs.
Okay.
And क्योंकि यहाँ पे environment lifestyle बहुत अलग है India से. There are different challenges. For example, we don't have our maids and all, you know, who are cooking for us. Cooking बहुत बड़ा challenge है. We need something quick. We need something sustainable. तो जब वही stay fit की बात आ जाती है, you need something long term, something that you can follow long term in this country. There are time management issues. हम सारा कुछ already, our house chores, careers and everything, we are doing everything by ourselves.
Yeah.
So environment बहुत अलग है. And when it comes to the common myths and all and common mistakes जो लोग करते हैं, it's mostly around nutrition. And अगर मैं ratio में बताऊं, when it comes to fitness, it's 70% around the nutrition aspect of it, and 20-30% would be around your workouts, your recovery, sleep and everything. So your nutrition is the main thing. And लोगों को यही नहीं पता, like they get shocked कि हम इतनी calories खा रहे थे पहले. You know, when they start their week 1, उनका eye opener तब होता है, okay, 50 gram of rice is like 160 calories. Oh my god. They were like that. वो कह रहे थे पहले तो हम 400 gram rice खा रहे थे. That's almost like 600-700 calories.
Correct.
Wow.
I'm one of them.
तो that's an eye opener. And ठीक है, इसमें ऐसे होता है कि चलो देर से सही समझ तो आई. And मेरे साथ भी ऐसे ही हुआ था. It was an eye opener for me as well. And that's when I realized all the gap के बहुत ज़्यादा, क्योंकि our habits are like they are based from our childhood. हम छोटे होते से जिस तरह से खा रहे हैं, हम अभी भी उस तरह से खा रहे हैं. But you don't realize your activity has gone down. You're sitting for 12 hours on the chair working in front of the laptop. अब छोटे होते जैसे खेलते होते थे, you used to be so active, you used to walk a lot in your school and all, walking चलेगी. Lots of my clients, they work, you know, they work from home remotely and all, permanently. You won't imagine उनके total daily steps are like 600-700 steps throughout the whole day.
Exactly.
Happens.
Yeah. So once I had got this fitness tracker watch, and that particular day मेरी activity बहुत कम थी, because I woke up, probably walked a little bit, and then I was just sitting at my desk. At the end of the day, I checked, it was less than 1,000 steps. And I'm like, this is so embarrassing.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
And like, how do people do 10,000? That's like, you know,
Yeah.
a crazy goal to reach if your steps are below 1,000.
Yes, yes.
So yeah, that's a good point, that you can't be eating the same way that you were eating as a child.
Yes.
Because your body changes, your activity levels change. And that is a very good way of calculating ki, you know, कि आप कितना खा रहे हो. Because
Yes.
you said कि इतने राइस में इतनी ज्यादा कैलोरीज होती
Yes.
है which normal people don't know.
Yes.
Yeah, and especially I feel as Indians, like अगर अभी भी मैं अपनी मम्मी को बोलूंगी, वो बोलेंगी नहीं, इंडियन खाना तो वैसे ही इतना अच्छा होता है, इतना
Yes.
न्यूट्रिशियस होता है.
Yes.
Why are you even like thinking सबसे
Yeah.
अच्छा खाना
Yeah.
like they're like अच्छा you're not eating मैदा, you're not eating बाहर
Yes.
का, तो तुम्हारा तभी भी ठीक है. Not realizing कि हम कितना पोर्शन खा रहे हैं या
Yes.
कितना होना चाहिए,
Yes.
right?
बेसिकली हमको कल्चरली ये रिफॉर्म लाना है. हमको मदर्स लव या व्हाटएवर और मॉम्स लव या हमको वो लव वाला फैक्टर ना फूड से थोड़ा हटाना है. देयर आर बेटर वेज टू एक्सप्रेस लव.
Yes.
Maybe why don't you go out and have a conversation? Even that's love. Exchanging that vibe and all.
Yeah.
Exchanging
Very good
energies
point.
and everything. Be out there in the sun. But उसको जब आप फूड से मिक्स कर रहे हो ना, 80% of time do the right things, 20% of times ठीक है यार, enjoy desserts as well. That's what I say, like your body is product of what you do most of the time, not all the time.
Correct.
So 20% कर लो chill, all these things are good, but culturally mindset wise हमको ये reform लाना पड़ेगा. We would have to detach food from our actual love and all. There are better ways to express your love and all.
Yeah, for sure.
So Jatin, we, as women also, we have a lot of myths related to workout, especially
Yes.
like during periods and then like, postpartum especially. Like, some people are just like, I want to bounce back quickly. Oh, it's been 3 months, I still have
Yes.
a mommy pooch. So I would want you to just clear those myths and like explain how one should go about it.
Yeah. So let's start with PMS and periods first. First of all, ये common myth, like females में रहता है कि like do we need to work out during periods or PMS or not? To be honest with you, there's no like defined advice on this one. This is highly dependent on an individual to individual basis. But यहाँ पे ये आता है कि you should be aware about your body. And थोड़ा सा अगर मैं इसको like recap करूँ, whatever way that you are feeling as a female during your PMS and periods and all, जो बाकी 2-3 weeks जो करते हैं when you're like normal, you're not going through your periods and when you're going through your normal weeks and all, those weeks will dictate how you are better managing these weeks as well.
Yeah.
So the kind of habits, the kind of food, the kind of nutrition, the kind of movements that you're doing during those weeks, that will make you better resilient in managing these periods and PMS phases and all.
Yeah, for
तो सबसे
sure.
पहले तो उसको ठीक करो. Okay, and now let's talk about PMS and periods and all. तो सबसे पहले bodily changes wise बताऊं, उसमें क्या होता है कि whenever it comes to your week 2 and week 4 of your menstrual cycles and all, आपके जो estrogen and progesterone ये जो hormones होते हैं, spike होते हैं. Week 2 में you will see a spike in estrogen hormone and week 4 में you will see a spike in estrogen and progesterone hormone. उसकी वजह से क्या होता है, आपका body weight spike होता है. So let's say if a woman is going through her fat loss journey or something, she would get nervous कि यार something is not working. But actually it's just fake weight, वो water retention बढ़ जाती है आपकी body
Yeah,
में.
because you notice a lot of bloating during that time.
Yes. Yeah. So it's just fake weight and water retention बढ़ जाती है body में and उसकी वजह से काफी changes आते हैं. So that's how just digest it and just go with it. And overall, I would say कि when it comes to working out and what kind of nutrition you should follow, yes, every week should not be a like a calorie deficit, or if you're following some sort of fat loss diet. Women के लिए हर week वो जरूरी नहीं है because your body is very different from a male's body or something. So that's fine. It's a overall when it comes to a fat loss and all, हमको एक particular day या particular week की calories नहीं track करनी होती है, body weight नहीं track करना होता, हमको averages पे focus करना है. That means overall trend down जा रहा है या नहीं. If you see the fluctuations wise, body weight की fluctuations ऐसे आती हैं when you go down. So you will see a spike as well and you will see a downward trend as well. And that's very common, as I said, in females due to those hormonal fluctuations and all. And regarding activities wise, yes, if you are someone who feels comfortable doing strength training during your periods and PMS phases as well, go with it. Listen to your body. आपको पता चलेगा. But if you are someone, okay, it's getting really hard, maybe you can lower the intensity or just be, go for walks.
Yeah.
Normal एक active रहो. And सबसे पहले तो ये बहुत बड़ा myth होता है कि whenever someone is sick or when it comes to postpartum fitness as well, like our जब एक मदर एक चाइल्ड को बर्थ देती है and then after that when it comes to females as well, like during those PMS and periods and all, वो एक जनरल myth है कि okay, you need to be bedridden all the time, you are resting and all, but नहीं, you will feel more tired that way.
Yeah.
Correct.
So you need to be more into activity, more into motion, so that you're releasing those happy hormones
Yeah.
and endorphins, they are like our natural painkillers in our जो हमारे brain में release होते हैं. So they are signals to your body that okay, you are good. So that's how you make yourself resilient. And जो PMS period से पहले जो मैंने बोला कि your habits and your activity and everything जो आप ठीक रखते हो, उसकी वजह से you are also giving a signal to your brain that okay, you are doing things no matter what.
Yes.
And especially
you're
when you're
pushing yourself.
you're pushing yourself, and now when you're going through those difficult phases and everything, now your brain knows okay, I'll still do it. So that's how you establish that resilience and everything throughout the whole process.
Yeah, because I know since the last 5-6 months I'm working with a trainer, and we keep a track of a lot of things, right?
Yes.
Like every couple of months we'll do the weight check-in and then body fat and everything. And I noticed that my energy fluctuated, obviously depending on what week I was in, but even during my period I was deadlifting. So I never felt that, and that's because I had consistently
Exactly.
been doing it even on the other weeks when I was not on my period. So that really makes a difference, and I've seen a lot of girls or women who can't even get up from the bed because
Yes.
of that extreme pain during the
But
first.
some women are in
Some
pain.
women
Yes.
are, of
Yeah.
course. I'm
Yes.
not denying that. I have it too, but like he said, that
Yeah.
if you keep on sleeping and resting, I think मैंने भी खुद से experience किया कि जितना मैं ज़्यादा सोती हूँ, that pain kind of stays for longer time, right?
Yeah.
The more I'm active doesn't mean you like lift heavy, like as he said, even just a walk. That and
Yeah.
even stretching. I think
Yes.
PMS में वो stretching करना like gives your body such a relief.
Yep.
So that's a very good point.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And now coming to postpartum, you said postpartum ke liye bhi like there are certain things that they need to be mindful of because 9 months of pregnancy, like body goes through so much, right? When do you think is the right time to resume that fitness or that workout?
Yes.
Even if they've been very active and working out throughout the pregnancy, it changes obviously after
Yes.
you give birth. And let's talk also about diastasis recti, because I had gone through that with
Yes.
both my kids. I went to my doctor and they had no idea about it. So there's a lot of doctors who don't know that. Then someone referred to me, or someone referred me to a physiotherapist.
Pelvic
Who, pelvic floor physiotherapist. That's when I could heal it. और तब तक 1 साल already हो चुका था. And I was doing a lot of wrong things like lifting not weights, but heavy things from the floor without like, properly
Bending your knees.
bending or like squatting or whatever. So let's talk about that.
Yeah. So when it comes to like postpartum fitness and all, उसके अंदर different phases होते हैं, and हमको यहाँ पर एक बहुत iterative approach follow करनी है. Like you mentioned earlier as well that some women are like okay, as soon as they gave birth they're like okay, I need to get fit. वैसे नहीं होता. You need to have some patience. Again, mindset वहाँ पे थोड़ा work करना होता है. You need to accept it. Yes, it would take time. Your body is not the same as it was before. So let's say for the first 0 to 6 weeks period, you just try to be more active, small walks and gentle stretching or something, and thoda bahut yoga, stretching, meditation, breathing exercises. ऐसे आप start करते हो. After like 6 weeks, you can include some light cardio, like cycling and all. Thoda bahut treadmill ho gaya, something that raises your heartbeat a little bit, all these things. And then obviously combined with those pelvic floor exercises and Kegels and all, ये सब जो आपने mention किया. And honestly बोलूं, ये सारी चीजें ना postpartum में नहीं, ये pregnancy से ही start कर देनी चाहिए. So that you are already prepping for it. आपको एकदम से वो नया ना लगे, क्योंकि उस टाइम पे आप already overwhelmed हो. And एक mothers के लिए major challenge क्या होता है after giving birth to a child? Time management.
Yeah.
कि कभी जब आप वर्कआउट कर रहे हो, आपके आधे वर्कआउट्स तो ऐसे मिस हो रहे हैं कि योर बेबी इज अवेक, और ही और शी नीड्स यू, तो बहुत सारे टाइम मैनेजमेंट इश्यूज आते हैं. तो उस टाइम पे अगर आप बहुत सारी नई चीजें अडॉप्ट करोगे, लाइक मे बी वर्किंग आउट और ऑल दीज थिंग्स एंड ऑल, बहुत सब कुछ ओवरवेलमिंग लगेगा आपके लिए, एंड यू कैन गेट मेंटली बर्नट आउट. एंड पोस्ट पार्टम डिप्रेशन इज ऑल्सो वेरी कॉमन इन वुमेन, क्योंकि यू आर नॉट यूज्ड टू सीइंग योरसेल्फ इन दैट body and figure after giving birth to a child. तो वो भी बहुत ज़्यादा common है. And again, if you are burning out yourself after adopting so many new things, So that can get like very physically demanding and mentally demanding as well.
Yeah.
तो वहाँ से ही उसको पहले से ही start करो, because you know you're planning for pregnancy, you're planning for childbirth, so you're kind of like mentally ready for this thing. So prep it right from the very start.
Beginning. That's a very correct point, because
Yes.
I remember for my first pregnancy, because you get pampered so much. नहीं ये मत करो, वैसे मत करो. So you know,
Yes.
like I was so relaxed.
Yes.
But by the 6th month or 7th month, I'm like, no, I think I need to do something, because you know,
Yes.
like I'm just like
Your body gets used to that.
Yes.
Yeah. So I just started doing things like on my own, like some stretches just to
Yeah.
open the pelvic muscles and all
Yeah.
of that. But I feel I did not really focus a lot on my
Yes.
exercises, which
Yes.
now I feel, even after like it's been 3 years now, and I still feel my pelvic muscles are not the strongest.
Yeah.
Exactly.
I remember after I gave, because I have 2 kids back to back, just within a 1.5 year gap. So I did not recover my ab muscles right after the first one. And I was very fit. I was like, no, I was not very active in working out, but I was a fit person all my life. And I remember a few months after I gave birth the first time, मैं लेटी थी और मैं उठ भी नहीं पाई, because I was like, what is happening? My muscles are so weak. Like, you know, I can't even get up from the bed.
Yes.
And that's when it hit me that, no, I have to work on strengthening that.
Yes.
Because I'm not the only woman, right? There are so many women who have more children than me,
Yeah.
and they can't recover.
Exactly.
But you need to know, you need to be aware of what are the right things to do, so that you don't put that much pressure on that
Yes.
already weak area.
Yeah. And also these movements should be combined with the right kind of nutrition as well.
Yeah.
Correct.
And for example, let's say when you give birth to a child, breastfeeding is something new that you as a woman go through. और एक वो general out of love expression क्या होता है कि okay, now you're breastfeeding, you should eat for like 2 persons
people.
और ज़्यादा
वो
खा.
तो प्रेगनेंसी से ही होता है,
होता है.
2 लोगों का
Yeah,
खाना.
वो गलत है. Like अगर मैं technically बोलूँ, you should be, if you're breastfeeding, you should be eating additional like 300 to 500 calories.
So if you were to give us some example of food, how much would extra 300 or 500 be in terms of food?
Yeah. So first of all, it should be a balanced meal, and it should be a combination of lean protein sources, carbs and fats combined. So अगर 300-500 calorie meal की अगर मैं बात करूँ, protein में you can have, if you're a non-vegetarian, around like 100 grams, 150 grams of chicken, you can adopt for it. That's a lean protein source. It's roughly around 100 or 150 grams of chicken is roughly around 150-160 calories.
Okay.
Yeah, उसके round होता है. And then you can combine it with a rice and a chapati or whatever you like. That's around 100-120 calories, depends on the portions. 50 grams of rice is roughly 150 calories. So yeah, that's how you can include it. And healthy fats में nuts include कर सकते हो. अगर olive oil already use किया है cooking के time पे, it's already there.
Okay.
So that's how it should be a combination. It should be a balanced meal. And post pregnancy आपको तो like protein तो बहुत जरूरी चाहिए. It's very essential for your bone health, your muscles and everything. And especially if you're going through that DR thing and all, वो already muscles हैं. They are like our abs muscles.
Yeah.
And I
like
feel
वो
हम
six
लोग
pack
प्रोटीन
abs
पे ही
ऐसे हो
फोकस
जाते
नहीं
हैं.
करते.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah.
Indian food is very carb rich.
Carb dominant. Yeah.
Even non-vegetarians जो है, because you cook that chicken or whatever in so much of oil कि
Yeah.
वैसे भी उसमें वो protein होता है, but then you are adding so many more calories to
No,
Yes.
but like especially after pregnancy also, like there's like they start feeding you more of like these simple foods like लौकी हो गई कि ज़्यादा
Yeah.
तीखा मत खाओ,
Yeah.
ज़्यादा heavy मत खाओ.
Yeah.
Like eat more but don't have heavy foods.
Yes,
They give you
yes.
teen day, लौकी
Yeah.
and all of
Yeah.
that. So they don't focus more on like giving
Yeah.
you like
Yeah.
protein.
North India में वो बहुत चलता है पंजीरी.
और हमें वही बोलते पंजीरी.
Oh, that was my favorite.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
love
But
That's just carbs and fats.
Fats,
कोई protein
yeah.
नहीं है उसमें.
Yes, and I
Yeah.
remember a relative of mine, she told me like I was 15 days like postpartum and she's like पंजीरी आई होगी, पिनिया आई होंगी, ज़्यादा मत खाना because that is where you increase your weight,
Yeah.
मतलब जो
Yeah.
ये और ये नहीं कि because you gave birth so now you have to increase weight and all that. It's
Yes.
because of all this that you going to
Exactly.
increase more
Yeah.
weight.
Yeah. आधा weight gain इससे हो जाता है. So again, maybe we need just because we are so aware right now, हमको protein पंजीरी चाहिए शायद.
Yeah.
I think that would be
carbs and protein. Add a scoop of whey protein in it. It's protein
Yes.
panjiri then.
So okay, so since you mentioned that, can we actually do that?
Yeah,
Can
for
we
sure.
add a scoop of
Why
whey
not?
protein while
Yeah,
making?
yeah,
it?
yeah.
Wow, that's
Why not?
that's a
That's
very
a game changer.
changer there.
And whey protein में इतने सारे flavors आते हैं. I know पंजीरी का अपना एक flavor है. तो आप
What?
हाँ.
Really?
Yes.
Oh.
मतलब मैं पंजीरी फ्लेवर नहीं कह रहा, वे प्रोटीन में आता है।
Oh,
मैं
अच्छा,
कह
मुझे
रहा हूँ-
लगा whey protein.
नहीं, आई थिंक यू गॉट इट रॉन्ग। सो बेसिकली आई मेंट के पंजीरी का जैसे अपना एक खुद का एक फ्लेवर होता है, जस्ट टू कीप दैट फ्लेवर वट एवर इज देयर ऑलरेडी, टू कीप इट रॉ एंड ऑथेंटिक, जस्ट गो विद अ वे प्रोटीन ऑप्शन दैट्स अनफ्लेवर्ड, एंड उससे आपका प्रोटीन भी ऐड हो जाएगा। बट अगेन पोर्शंस मैटर, क्योंकि पंजीरी में देयर इज अ लाइक हाई क्वांटिटी ऑफ नट्स एंड ऑल, मतलब हेल्दी फैट्स हैं, तो कैलोरीज का भी ध्यान रखना चाहिए।
And they're all fried in ghee, right?
Yeah, so all these things, yeah. And उसको आप protein balls बना सकते हो. So these are the reforms we need. I know वो generational basis है, 90s से तब से चला आ रहा है, like how we saw our grandmoms and everything. There's nothing wrong in it, but again there should be a balance. Yeah.
I think since we evolved so much, जैसे अपने grandparents ने तो computer देखा भी नहीं होगा शायद.
Yes.
And now we are all the time on our computer or phone. So obviously nutrition should evolve along with our lifestyles, right?
Yeah. और अगर थोड़ा मैं history में बताऊं, पहले क्या होता था, अगर grandmoms और जो हमने नानी दादी को जैसे देखा है, उस टाइम पे वो विलेजेस में होते थे, they used to do so much of physical work, they were out in the fields.
Yeah.
तो उनको ये सब कुछ वो होता है ना, पच भी जाता है
Yes.
कि okay, whatever they are eating, it's somehow being utilized somewhere.
Yeah.
But अब आज की ग्रैंड मॉम और आज की न्यू मॉम क्या है? they are eating पंजीरी and they are sitting in front of the laptop and working.
Correct.
Zero activity, 500 steps a day.
Yeah, because the only time you're going out is like taking a stroll with your baby.
Yes.
In the stroller. You're
Yes.
not really doing much, right?
Yes.
And if you're like on maternity leave, so you're not even like working
Yeah,
much.
Exactly.
like he said, 500 steps. उतना भी अगर तुम चलो तो, like some people on a regular basis have only that many steps in a
Yes,
day.
yeah. And when we talk about that post-pregnancy depression and all, activity, grounding, stress management, ये सब कुछ आपका movement से ही क्योर होगा. You
Yeah.
should incorporate walking, light cardio, and then eventually once you're, post that 8-week kind of like 12-week period, then you start a bit of strength training as well. Along with combined with your, that DR exercises like pelvic floor exercises,
Yeah.
these things and all. Yeah, breathing and all, वो सब कुछ तो starting से ही चलेगा.
Coming to breathing, so what happened is we had this personal trainer come in for like the entire family.
Nice.
And I think it was like 1.5 years after giving birth. So I just started like again like doing my regular exercises, and he's like,
Yes.
your breathing is so off. And I'm like, what do you mean? He's like, you're like breathing really fast, like, and I did not understand the concept then. So first he taught me how to breathe, and
Yes.
then he started asking me to like concentrate on my movement. And that clicked, and I was like, why didn't they teach us like, not they, but like, there should be some kind of a coaching format
Yes.
pre-pregnancy,
Yes.
where we are taught how to breathe so that it would help us during delivery as well.
Oh,
Yes.
yes.
That's when it clicked to me, and I'm like, if I would know how to breathe like from the very beginning, like
Yes.
while pushing, then it would have not hurt, probably not hurt, but like it would have been an easy delivery.
Yes.
Because हमको पता नहीं होता कब breathe करना. Okay, the doctor is like, okay, push. So you're like breathing in the wrong way, you're pushing in the wrong
Yeah,
way, right?
Yes,
yeah.
Of course, it's new for everyone. ये नहीं कि कोई पहले से prepare होता है.
Yes.
But I
But
think
aware होना जरूरी
aware
है.
होना is so important. वो breathing is like जो
Yeah.
आप बोल रहे हो कि breathing आनी चाहिए, तो
Yes.
just explain a little bit why is
Yeah.
it so important.
Yeah, so basically it helps stabilizes your core as well. Especially
Yeah.
when you post-pregnancy, when your six-pack abs, they are like separated. वो gap है उसके अंदर. And then उसको core को stabilize करने के लिए, उसको एक actual position पे लाने के लिए breathing से ही वो होगा. You're pushing those muscles that contract and come back to that original position where you were.
Okay.
Yeah. तो वो breathing का उसके अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा रोल है initial stages से ही, obviously combined with those pelvic floor exercises and all. So that's how you get to that. So it's a process, it's a journey. And ये सारा कुछ इसलिए missing है क्योंकि बहुत सारे pieces scattered हैं.
Yes.
Yeah.
100%.
Like that's another question, बहुत raw sense में मैं इसको बोलूँगा, why are doctors unfit? I don't understand.
Yeah. Exactly.
Yeah.
Because
You
एक
are the
चीज तो
brand
है,
ambassadors of health.
एक चीज तो
Yeah.
है, डॉक्टर्स डोंट नो अबाउट न्यूट्रिशन. दिस इज माई पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस आफ्टर मीटिंग डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ डॉक्टर्स. दे हैव नो, आई डोंट थिंक दे गेट कोच्ड और ट्रेन्ड इन द होल न्यूट्रिशन थिंग. जो बेसिक होता है कि प्रोटीन बिल्ड्स मसल, कार्ब्स गिव अस एनर्जी, फैट्स
Yes.
डू दिस, उतना ही पता है उनको. दे डोंट नो द थिंग्स दैट न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट और कोचेस लाइक यू नो. So that is why probably they have no idea about the real fitness or a holistic approach to fitness.
And I think that is why the whole concept of nutritionist came out,
Yeah.
right?
क्योंकि अगर nutrition अगर आपकी fixed हो ना already, you don't need medicines. Your kitchen is your hospital.
Exactly.
Yeah. So बिजनेस सेंस में वो फिर उनका ज्यादा सेंस बनता है.
No, and this
Yeah.
coming from my parents have a pharmaceutical background. They
Yeah.
have a factory, and they're so. My mom is a doctor too, and they're so used to popping pills every time. कुछ भी headache हो, दवाई खा लो. And
Yeah.
I'm totally opposite. So sometimes they tell me you're not from this family, because I always give it like a very holistic approach. कि root cause क्या है?
Yeah.
If I'm in pain because of my period, I'll just rest or I'll
Yes.
do some stretching or whatever. You know, I'm not going to pop a pill. So I think that nutrition awareness that you are also trying to
Yes.
create,
Yeah.
that is great, because that is what it will bridge the gap, right?
Yeah, all these billion-dollar industries are created on a concept called instant gratification. बहुत
Yeah.
human
Yes.
psychology वाली चीज है.
Yes.
तो हमको medicines की आदत है, हमको ऐसा क्या चाहिए. As humans we are like very impatient. And अब आजकल
And अब
के
तो
modern era
और
में
हो रहा है.
और ज्यादा हो रहा है. So we need something instantly.
Yeah.
And वो medicines में भी दिखता है. वो अब let's say if you're feeling stressed, you'll be like, okay, let's go to bar and have a drink. क्योंकि instant है ना, क्या effort करना पड़ रहा है उसमें.
But उसके
if I-
after effects कितने खराब
After
होते हैं?
effects, हाँ, उसके बाद में वो देखो, because of that hangover and everything, your entire next day is getting ruined.
Yeah.
And out of that, आपका जो अगले दिन का, let's say अगर कुछ थोड़ा बहुत ठीक भी करना होता है, you're staying in your bed, you are again eating junk, आपका जो hunger hormone है, your leptin, satiety hormones, everything is messed up. And again, you're back to your, unhealthy habits. Yeah. So all these things are very synced with each other.
Yeah.
Like the way you perform at your work, the way you talk, the way you walk, all your moods and everything. Especially in the case of women, if you're not active enough, आपके nutrition सही नहीं है, you will see all these things reflecting in every area of your life.
Yeah,
Your
and
career,
any which way
your
our moods are like.
relationships. Yeah, all these things. Yeah.
Yeah. So talking about some common myths which are there everywhere, I see. One thing is that कि जब मैं इंडिया जाती हूँ and if someone offers me food and if I say no कि इसके बाद नहीं खाना है, the first thing they're like, oh, dieting कर रही है. Like, this has become such a frustrating, irritating thing for me. What do you mean dieting? I'm just being mindful of what I eat. So people have this misconception that if you want to be fit, if you want to be healthy, if you want to lose weight, then you have to be on a diet. So what are your thoughts on that?
Yeah, so when it comes to dieting and all, especially when you're going out, your relatives and everything, मैंने personally भी ये चीज़ बहुत experience की है. And these days it's like we are so used to eating junk that eating actual food, nature foods and all is called dieting. तो अगेन यहाँ पे माइंडसेट इशू है एंड हमको ये समझना होगा कि आउट ऑफ इवन सोशल प्रेशर, पीयर प्रेशर एंड ऑल, ये सब चीज़ें रिफॉर्म हमको करनी पड़ेंगी. इट ऑल स्टार्ट्स विद यू, लाइक योर थॉट प्रोसेस. You would have to be strong enough mindset wise ke okay, if you want to be different, you would have to do different efforts.
Yeah.
Like the same kind of efforts that other 90% people are doing won't get you to the different destination. तो आपको अलग से efforts adopt करने पड़ेंगे. So it all starts with your mind. Accept it that okay, if you're going through this phase, and trust me, if you just do it long enough, you bring all those improvements and those positive changes in you. These are the same people who would be asking you tips कि यार ये कैसे किया,
बिल्कुल.
like नेहा ये कैसे किया, या सुनैना ये कैसे किया, like all
Yeah.
these things. So yeah, that's how
So you just have
this thing
to
works.
stick to what you want in your what your goal is.
You have to be very clear.
Yeah.
So like that's what I do in my coaching as well. Before putting them on the actual, the phase, fat loss phase or lean gain phase and all, I have a phase called mindset optimization.
Okay.
Wow.
उसके अंदर I clear all these things. Okay,
Interesting.
sacrifice is part of the game. There will be situations in your throughout this whole journey when you would have to say no, and saying no to those situations is saying yes to your body. That's what it means.
Yeah, respecting your body.
Yeah. So हमको वो sacrifices वो करने की ना आदत थोड़ी डालनी पड़ेगी. रोज हमको नहीं एक वो ट्रीट मील वो नहीं चाहिए. आप इतना कोई बड़ा काम नहीं कर रहे आप, देश की सेवा नहीं कर रहे आप. Okay, you need a prize right now. So you would have to adopt those little small sacrifices, which would eventually compound into a very better version of yourself. And that's how the whole thought process works. You would have to accept it's part of the journey. And कितना आप strong हो उस चीज को खुद को लेके, कितना I put it as like how hungry are you to get to that version.
Yeah.
क्योंकि जितना ज्यादा आप खुद से क्लैरिटी होगी उस चीज के बारे में, उतना ज्यादा आप इस चीज को लॉन्ग टर्म कर पाओगे. एंड यू वुड बी having that power to say no to things that are not aligning with these things of yours. So that's how it starts.
So basically खाना जैसे बोलते हैं ना कि अरे waste नहीं करना मैं खा लेता हूँ. So rather than throwing it in the garbage, you're throwing it in your body.
Yeah,
I look at it like that. Of course we respect food and we shouldn't waste,
Yes.
but just because of that, don't dump it in your body.
Yeah.
Right? And I have also learned to say no. I met a friend recently and she's like, चाय पे आ जाना, समोसे मैं बाहर से ले आऊंगी. I clearly told her,
Yeah.
no, I'm not gonna
No,
eat
your
samosa.
willpower is like very strong.
It's
I've
very
noticed.
strong
Yes.
because I've gone through it a lot, right? And I've suffered. Why
Yes.
should I put myself under the same thing when I know it's not going to get me result?
Exactly.
So I'll tell her no. She's
Yeah.
a close friend. She didn't mind.
Yes.
Then she just offered me plain tea without sugar. So I was like, okay,
Yeah.
that's
Yeah.
my thing.
Yeah.
I'm okay with
Yes.
that.
Yeah. Again, ये चीजें बुरी नहीं है. You should enjoy these things, but again the ratio matters.
Right now, because I'm on a goal to lose a certain amount of weight, I'm trying to avoid it. But of course, like I have my indulgences once in a while.
Yeah.
Another thing people feel कि जब से मैंने भी weight training शुरू किया, even my in-laws in fact, they had this fear कि like you shouldn't be looking like
Bulky.
a bodybuilder, like bulky, you know.
Yeah,
even
yeah.
my parents had that.
Yes.
So what would you say about that kind of mindset जो लोगों का होता
It's just a myth. ऐसे like you know कुछ 10 push-ups मार के कोई नहीं हो जाता muscular.
काश होते.
Women तो बहुत ज़्यादा because of you know those low testosterone levels and all, you don't have that ability as compared to a man, you know, to build that level of muscle. बहुत time लगता है. It's a very you know slow process. ऐसे नहीं होता. So take it as a you know general fitness perspective and वही ये content की वजह से ऐसा impression है because when we talk about fitness starting में एकदम से mind में picture आती है bodybuilders. And those people are like they're on steroids, you know, PEDs. That's part of their game. You know, I'm not saying कि वो गलत है. We are not getting into that debate, but it's their sport. But you would have to learn to differentiate general fitness with actual bodybuilding. Both things are like very different from each other. Yeah.
और वैसे देखे तो उस जमाने में भी आज भी गांव में लोग चीजें भारी उठा के रखते हैं. That is a form of weight training.
That's what I wanted to ask.
Yeah, हमारी बॉडी को नहीं पता चलता कि आप जिम में हो, आप होम वर्कआउट्स कर रहे हो. This is again a very common question I usually get from my clients and all. That are home workouts equally effective as compared to gym and all? And I answer it like आपकी बॉडी को नहीं पता. उसको सिर्फ इस चीज से मतलब है, are you putting enough external stimuli, external force, enough stress उस पे आ रहा है या नहीं? क्योंकि बॉडी की दो चीजें हैं. उसको एक एक्सटर्नल स्ट्रेस चाहिए. वो क्यों चाहिए? क्योंकि मसल को हमने सिग्नल करना है कि यार बाहर से स्ट्रेस आ रहा है, ग्रो हो, बी गेट स्ट्रॉन्गर. दैट्स हाउ यू बिकम रेजिलिएंट. एंड वही स्ट्रॉन्गर होने से यू आर एबल टू यू नो डू जो आपकी जो रेगुलर एक्टिविटीज होती हैं वो आपको नॉर्मल लगती हैं बिकॉज यू आर यूज्ड टू हायर इंटेंस काइंड ऑफ एक्टिविटीज. दैट्स द होल कॉन्सेप्ट अबाउट इट. अब वो होम वर्कआउट्स में हो, जिम वर्कआउट्स में हो, वो सब आपकी माइंड गेम है. And both are equally effective. Obviously, once you, क्योंकि उसके अंदर फिर equipment challenges आ जाते हैं. So we started again, you know, with a very iterative approach. Let's say home workout से start करो. जैसे काफी लोग confident नहीं होते. They feel very shy or they feel very nervous when it comes to going gyms and all and working out in front of everyone. And so yeah, start with your home workouts, become confident, achieve some results. Then you will be the same person coming back to me, okay, Jatin, I need 6-pack abs now, or let's go to the gym, I need to level up. वो general human psychology है, we get hungrier more once we start seeing results. कि और चाहिए अभी ये चीज. So that's the progression you need to follow. Yeah.
So also like there's like a lot of debate these days कि you know cardio इतना नहीं करना चाहिए जितना weight training करना चाहिए because it's going to help you further in your life, like when you're like 50 or 50 plus. So what is your take in that? Like if somebody who's doing more cardio, like maybe 4 days a week, they're like walking and running.
Yes.
And weight training probably just once a week.
Like cardio overdo करने से क्या होता है? आपका muscle loss होता है. So the right ratio matters.
Okay.
Cardio भी करना चाहिए. It's very important for your cardiovascular health. It increases your stamina, endurance and all. And if you talk about the ideal ratio, it should be 70-30 or 80-20.
Okay.
So that means like 20% आपका cardio activities होगी. And that could be anything. सिर्फ running नहीं है. Cycling, you know, brisk walking, Zumba, dance, swimming. There are so many activities. Anything that raises your heartbeat to 100 to 110 BPM, that's cardio. Technically, अब वो कोई भी activity है. You can do that. So adopt something that you can, अब बात वही sustainability की आ गई. Adopt that form of cardio that you enjoy, that you can do throughout your life. If you love dancing,
Yeah.
go with dancing. I am not asking you to do running and all. If you are someone who likes to run, go with running. Skip the dancing. If you are like, okay, you want to learn how to swim, or you are already a good swimmer, go with it. So adopt something that you can do throughout your life. वो एक general fitness से related, until and unless there is some event coming up in your life. Let's say बहुत सारे clients के साथ होता है, they are like, okay, 6 months में मेरी शादी है. Then you can adopt for those, okay, you have a milestone, you have a deadline. You can adopt for any quick fixes, that's fine. But what after that? Once you're back from your honeymoon and all, and आपको फिर से दोबारा unfit नहीं होना ना, and then you will be like, okay, now I want something
But
sustainable.
कुछ लोग हो भी जाते हैं कि शादी के लिए कर लिया, अब शादी हो गई, now they don't care, and then they put on twice the amount of weight, and they are like okay with that. But that's not the point, right? The point is sustainability.
ये मैं आपको recent experience एक बताता हूँ. So I was working with a client, so she was like, okay, मेरी शादी है and I want to get transformed. Okay, we did it. We completed the transformation phase. So obviously we were adopting some aggressive approaches क्योंकि timeline कम थी. She was doing aggressive fat loss and all those things. That's fine. Short term के लिए ठीक है. Post wedding she got off track. And now she's like, okay, I'm unfit again. Now I want to conceive and I want to get fit again. बात वही long term sustenance की आ गई ना. So you would have to adopt something that's sustainable, that works for your lifestyle, works for your scenario, all these things and all.
Because good point that you mentioned कि now she wanted to conceive, so she wanted to get back in shape or get fitter. Because again, it might be hard if you're unfit to conceive also. So why not make it a lifestyle? Because when you have the baby also, you will have to constantly run around. उसमें तो आपको और fit होना पड़ेगा.
Exactly. Yeah. So and then after giving birth, postpartum fitness comes into the picture. So you need to consider that. फिर उसके बाद में old age आ जाता है. Then these are the same parents who are like, okay, I'm unable to play with my baby. I'm not feeling energetic enough. So everything is related. So you need to, yes, definitely adopt it as a lifestyle. ये कोई 4-week 30-week challenge नहीं है. It's a 80-year-old lifestyle.
Yes.
Put it so correctly. Because now I notice my parents, उनकी एक्टिविटी लेवल बहुत कम हो गई है पहले से. Of course पहले like even though like they were not really into like gymming or like all of that, at least they used to walk and like go to their office हो गया या जो भी. But now even telling them to यार थोड़ा सा walk कर लो, उसके लिए हाँ अभी ठंड है ना, गर्मियों में कर लेंगे. They have that excuse. So if they are like trained from the very beginning, जैसे हम लोग अपने आप को फोकस कर रहे हैं इस एज में, so I think it would have really helped them.
वही weather challenges definitely US Canada में बहुत हैं क्योंकि हमारी जो winters होती है, you cannot go out for walks that often, and as an Indian we are not used to walking in the snow and all. I'm myself when it comes to मेरे खुद के बहुत नखरे हैं उस चीज को लेके, but I solved it with my own methods. Like I have a walking pad treadmill. वो एक $300 की इन्वेस्टमेंट है, Amazon से मंगा ली. I have it, and then winters में आप उस पे वॉक कर लो.
That was my question actually. मैंने बहुत Insta, TikTok पे ही देखा है कि लोग लैपटॉप पे काम करते करते चलते हैं. So is that really effective?
Yeah, if it works for you, whatever works for you, it's effective. You should enjoy the whole journey. I myself do it by the way. ये वाली चीज तो है.
Because you mentioned that's why. Okay. Good idea.
So again, जैसे मॉडर्न रिफॉर्म्स क्या आ रहे हैं, हमारी रिमोट जॉब्स, ऑनलाइन काम, ये सब ज्यादा बढ़ रहा है, तो हमको ये एक्टिविटी वाली चीजें भी उसके साथ सिंक करनी पड़ेंगी. एंड देयर आर सॉल्यूशंस आउट देयर. The only thing that's missing is your action, your intent towards it.
And that's where the mindset comes. So it's really good that you have that whole program,
mindset optimization.
That's needed for every single human on this earth.
Not only for fitness, for anything you want to start.
Anything that you're starting, I think आपको पहले अपने माइंड में वो चीज डाइजेस्ट करनी पड़ती है. ओके, दिस इज व्हाट इट वुड रिक्वायर. लाइक you started this podcast, you accepted this, all this camera, lights, sound, editing, these things are part of the game. If you are someone who is not enjoying working with a team, या ये सब हार्डवेयर आपको नहीं पसंद में आ रहा, you won't be able to sustain it.
The problem is people only want results, but they don't want to put in or go through that grind that you have to do in order to get that result. So
इसका काउंटर ये होता है, again this is a part of that mindset optimization only, that figure out your why is this so important for you? क्यों इतना जरूरी है? Like if I ask you both, why did you both started this podcast? Let's talk about that. तो
बहुत लोगों का why ही वो कभी पूछते ही नहीं है खुद से कि मुझे क्यों करना है.
Like my why would be the weakness that I felt throughout my 18 years of life. I don't want to feel that same feeling again throughout the rest of my life.
So it started as a personal journey with you, and then when you saw results, that's when you decided now you want to be a fitness coach for and do this as a profession.
Yeah, so obviously starting से ऐसे कुछ नहीं सोचा हुआ था कि you know I would get into this. These things get compounded over time जब आपको खुद को clarity आती है, and especially
Because
when
you have an engineering background. And
yes, yeah. That is also, you know, somehow reflecting in my this coaching business as well. So I'm a certified PMP project management professional. So I'm very passionate about, you know, systems and processes and all. And अगर आप technically fitness को देखोगे, it's also about management. The way you are managing your meals, the way you are managing your, you know, timings and everything, processes, क्या एक सही, you know, sustainability होनी चाहिए, communication, all these things and all. So yes, I've adopted those systems in my coaching as well. But again, when it comes to your own transformation and helping someone to transform, both are like technically very different things. You're dealing with a different individual with different kind of mindset. You know, उनका जो upbringing रही है बहुत different है आपसे, food different है, बहुत कुछ different है. So yeah, it takes a lot. But yeah, I'm not saying I'm perfect right now. I'm still learning. But yeah, हर एक किसी नए बंदे के साथ काम करके एक नया experience मिलता है. And that's what I enjoy. And especially वो जो एक message आता है ना, when I do my weekly check-ins with them, they are like, I'm seeing my collarbone, you won't believe, you know, I'm able to wear that favorite dress of mine, or I had this presentation today at office and, you know, I was feeling so confident. That's the feeling that motivates me that, okay,
you're helping people.
It gets tear in my eyes.
You're actually doing a good service to humanity. I feel all nutritionists or fitness coaches who do it the correct way, I think that's a huge service.
Yeah.
Right? Because when people are not passionate about improving their own health, you are making them change their mindset so that they can start respecting their own health and working on it, which is a big thing.
Yeah. Thank you.
I wanted to ask one last question. Like, so sometimes, you know, what happens, like people who are working out, they also have this concept ki, okay, I should be eating less. You know, so like my mom-in-law, of course, like she's above 60 now, and she has this thing of like, the body doesn't need a lot of food. I'm just going to eat like once a day, or probably like, you know, a small snack before sleeping, and that's it. I'm not going to eat a lot. So what is your take? Do you think because now she's like on the like higher age spectrum also, and she's working out as well, not the strenuous activities, but like a little bit of weight training, so shouldn't she be eating a little bit more now as compared to what she did before?
This is a very, you know, individual thing. Again, analysis बहुत important है. And when you say that you should be eating less, that statement is wrong. You should be eating less enough. तो हमको fat loss तो करना है, but हमको enough खाते हुए करना है.
Okay.
Again, when you talk about eating less, you're like, okay, पूरे दिन में मैं सिर्फ एक मील खाऊंगी. Ask yourself, can you do it throughout your life?
वही ना.
और सिर्फ 3 महीने भी आप ये चीज कर पाओगे? नहीं कर पाओगे, क्योंकि सिर्फ आप ये नहीं कर रहे. You're doing your work as well. You have your kids. You're managing your family. You know, house chores. There are so many other things. सिर्फ ये नहीं आपकी लाइफ में. So you'll have to consider all those factors as well, which are very essential for sustainability. Again, वो बात सारी वहीं आ जाती है. Fitness is not a 4-week thing. It's a 80-year-old lifestyle. So go with those methods that you can do for longer times.
So just imagine, we are in our 30s right now. Just imagine 50 or 40 years from now when we are in our 70s. Will we be able to sustain this, what we are doing now?
Yes.
If yes, then maybe it's a right thing, right?
Yes, yeah. And overall इतना ज़्यादा नहीं है. It's just that you are not used to doing something.
Yes.
छोटी सी एग्जांपल देता हूँ. जैसे छोटे होते आप टेबल्स सीखते थे, you know, as a बच्चे लिख लिख के सीखते थे ना. like 4 3s are 12 और 4 4s are 16. क्या आप अब भी वो करते हो? नहीं करते ना. तो हमको बस एक ये लर्निंग फेज लाना है हमारी लाइफ में कि अच्छा 50 ग्राम राइस ऐसा दिखता है, 100 ग्राम चिकन ऐसा दिखता है. और एक बार ही कर लिया, उसके बाद में इंट्यूशन चलती है. बिकॉज वी ह्यूमंस आर एम्पावर्ड माइंडसेट वाइज के इंट्यूशन बेस पे हमको चीजें समझ आ जाती है. नाउ व्हेन आई एम मैरिनेटिंग माय चिकन, मैं जब चिकन ब्रेस्ट को अपने हाथ में पकड़ता हूँ, मेरे को फील होता है दिस इज 150 ग्राम्स और दिस इज 250 ग्राम्स. अभी आई वेंट टू मेक्सिको, वहां पे मैं सुशी खा रहा था. आई वाज एबल टू गेस कि ये कितने कैलोरीज है विदाउट इवन कैलकुलेटिंग इट. आई नो द फीलिंग ऑफ 300 कैलोरीज, आई नो द फीलिंग ऑफ 500 कैलोरीज, आई नो द फीलिंग ऑफ 700 कैलोरीज. आई एम एबल टू डिफरेंशिएट थ्रू दैट इंट्यूशन.
That is the goal, that you want your clients to get to that stage where they can figure it out.
Yeah. So doing that over the time, doing those basics over the time, दिमाग में वो चीजें ऑटोमेशन पे चलती है. जैसे आप ड्राइविंग सीखते हो, पहले आप देख के देखते हो, अच्छा पार्क कैसे होना है, रिवर्स ऐसे होना है, ये एक्सेलरेटर है, ये ब्रेक है. अब करते हो,
अब
ड्राइव
तो
करते हैं।
दिमाग कहीं और होता है, पता भी नहीं चलता गाड़ी कैसे चला
और
रहे,
साथ में
कहाँ.
आप बर्गर खा रहे हो, और साथ में बच्चे को साथ में ले हुआ है, डॉग है इधर सीट पे.
It's like second nature.
Yeah, so you develop that intuition, you develop that experience, that mindfulness throughout this whole learning curve. And major वो हमको ऐसे लगता है क्योंकि वो एक आई ओपनर वाली चीज होती है कि यार 25 साल से हम गलत खा रहे थे एंड अब हमको खाना सीखना पड़ेगा. अब वो एक्सेप्टेंस की बात आ जाती है एंड वो ही बंदा कर पाता है जिसका वाई स्ट्रांग हो. सो योर माइंडसेट, योर वाई, all these things are very connected. Because these things, like the more you are clear about these things, they will like allow you to adopt, you know, any kinds of like efforts and everything. अब कभी मना नहीं करोगे उस चीज पे. For example, if I say you that okay, you know, from today I want you to do 30 minutes of cardio, या अभी हम डिनर में इस वीक के लिए हम कार्ब्स फिक्स कर रहे हैं, तब आप मेरे से ये नहीं करोगे नहीं यार मेरे को तो पसंद है. Then you will be like okay, let's do it.
Yeah.
Attitude change हो जाता है आपका. तो your efforts are dictated, you know, by the kind of mindset you have, you know, the kind of intent you have.
Yeah.
So rather than focusing on excuses, you focus on action now. You get hungrier for results and everything.
Yeah.
तो इसीलिए ये चीजें starting this journey is very important.
Another question is like for the viewers, if they're not going to, they don't want to like lose their weight, they feel that their weight is fine, like according to their BMI, whatever, but they want to start their journey. What are the few tips that you would give? How to start? Like how many days should they work out, and how should they start?
You mean the general fitness and all?
Yes, general fitness.
Like we are not focusing on any targeted fat loss.
They just want to start getting fitter. Like
in that case I would say when it comes to working out, आपको रोज वर्कआउट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. 3x5 एक बहुत सस्टेनेबल स्ट्रक्चर है. मिनिमम 3 days वर्कआउट करो, मैक्सिमम 5 करो. बहुत ज्यादा बिजी वीक जा रहा है, go for the minimum viable product, you know, those 3 days a week workout.
Okay.
And push pull leg एक split होती है, workout split. पुश मूवमेंट्स में हमारी चेस्ट, शोल्डर्स, ट्राइसेप्स आ जाते हैं. पुल में बैक एंड बाइसेप्स आ जाते हैं. वो सेकेंड डे हो गया. लेग्स में हमारे ग्लूट्स, यू नो, क्वाड्स, लेग्स, वो ट्रेन हो गई. तो 3 दिन में आपका सारा बॉडी पार्ट्स कवर हो सकते हैं. यू फॉलो दैट स्प्लिट. एंड अगर आपके पास ज्यादा टाइम है, यू कैन ऐड द 4th डे. द 4th डे कुड बी अ फुल बॉडी वर्कआउट. एंड देन द 5th डे वो आइसोलेशन एक्सरसाइजेज आ जाती हैं. बाय आइसोलेशन आई मीन बाइसेप कर्ल्स, जो हमारे छोटे मसल ग्रुप्स हैं. बेसिकली आप एक पर्टिकुलर एक सिंगल मसल ग्रुप को टारगेट कर रहे हो. तो ये 5 day वर्कआउट्स है. पर्सनली आई वर्कआउट लाइक 4 days a week थ्रू आउट, यू नो, माई एंटायर फिटनेस जर्नी अभी तक. बहुत सस्टेनेबल है. सारी उम्र में कर सकता हूँ. उस टाइम पे सो आई फ्लक्चुएट बिटवीन 4 to 5 days. बीच में जब मैं लेट्स से ट्रैवल कर रहा होता हूँ ऑन दोज वीक्स, वैसे तो मैं इतना ज्यादा कोई वर्कआउट नहीं करता. लाइक रिसेंटली व्हेन आई वेंट फॉर माय वेकेशन आई वाज जस्ट फोकसिंग ऑन माय स्टेप्स एंड ऑल, एंड आई थिंक 1-2 दिन ट्रेन किया होगा. सो अगेन एवरीथिंग कम्स डाउन टू दैट 80-20 अप्रोच. वर्कआउट में अब ये चीज फॉलो कर सकते हो. एंड इन टर्म्स ऑफ रेशियो बिटवीन स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग एंड कार्डियो, अगेन 80% इट शुड बी स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग. यू नीड टू बी स्ट्रॉन्गर. एंड देन कार्डियोवैस्कुलर हेल्थ के लिए कार्डियो जरूरी है. इस तरह से आप स्टार्ट कर सकते हो. एंड न्यूट्रिशन वाइज प्रायोरिटाइज, यू नो, हाई प्रोटीन मील्स एंड मेक श्योर यू आर ईटिंग होल फूड्स 80% ऑफ द टाइम्स. 20% ऑफ द टाइम्स यू कैन एंजॉय वट एवर यू लाइक. या अगेन ताकि वो माइंडसेट को भी ब्रेक मिल जाए. वेकेशन पे जा रहे हो, ट्रिप पे हो, वीकेंड पे once in a month ऐसा कुछ कर लिया, दैट्स ओके.
I'm not like
I'm not like, you know, बिल्कुल वो स्ट्रिक्ट कर दो. You're not athletes, you're not विराट कोहली, you're not you know any.
लोगों का प्रॉब्लम ये है ना कि उनको लगता है अरे विराट कोहली ने तो 10 साल से मीठा छुआ भी नहीं है, हम भी करेंगे. बट यू डोंट वांट टू बी दैट. और आपने अभी तक एक डंबल उठाया नहीं है, आप वो सारी बातें कर रहे हो. First start with small things, right? And then they do it for 2 days and then they're like नहीं हमसे नहीं हो पाएगा. So it's a
बात वही डिफरेंशिएशन की आ गई ना. He is विराट कोहली, he is playing you know nationally for the entire India, for the entire country. कितने करोड़ों लोग उसको देख रहे हैं. Training for so long. तो उसको उस लेवल का करना पड़ेगा. यू आर जस्ट अ नॉर्मल पर्सन who's doing a job in IT. आपको नहीं भागना वहाँ पे सर्किट्स पे. आपको नहीं वहाँ पे, you know, T20 वर्ल्ड कप खेलना. So just go with something sustainable. And perfectionism is a myth. Just focus on improvement. Getting 1% better, you know, that's more than enough. Over the time वो compound हो जाता है. If you do this consistently enough for just a few weeks. That's the beauty of health and fitness. If you do these things just consistently for like 7 days, अगर आप ट्रैक करोगे चीजें, your measurements, your body weight, your pictures, you will see the difference in just 7 days.
Interesting. Just 7 days.
Yes.
Wow.
Also with your online program, I wanted to ask one last question. that because there's so many, homemakers,
Yes.
they cannot even afford going to a gym, right? So do you feel that online coaching helps or no? Like,
Yeah,
of
for
course
sure.
you're doing
He is
it, but
doing all
no,
right.
but like for them, like to enroll to your program and
Yes.
like, like because they have no idea how to
So-
start and when to start.
I think the question is
Yeah.
that if they do it at home, will they be able to do it, or do they have to go to a gym in order to do it? And secondly, if they can do it at home, then what basic equipment do they need to invest in?
Yeah, जैसे कि मैंने, if you're like complete beginner, I won't even get like recommend you to get a dumbbell or something. Start with body weights.
Okay.
Do those push-ups, crunches कर लो, ये चीजें कर लो. Just get yourself into that habit. अब कईयों को ऐसे होता है वो enjoy नहीं करते body weight workouts. So in that case, introduce the equipment. And regarding home workout equipment and all, you just need that readjustable set of dumbbells. $200-$250 में Amazon से मिल जाता है, कहीं जाके ढूंढने की भी जरूरत नहीं. Order it with a click. It's an investment for life. कोई बार बार आपने उसको चेंज नहीं करना. और एक बेंच चाहिए उसके बाद में. So it's like a total, मैं बोलूँ $400-500 की investment है for your entire life. This is not an expense. I'm using the word investment when it comes to your health.
Yes. for
So
sure.
yeah, that's the basic equipment for home workouts. Mirrors हमारे पास होते हैं already. Yoga mats or something, that's like a $10
do
thing.
you
yeah.
recommend getting a barbell?
No, you don't need it. If you are getting dumbbells, again, as I said, हमारी बॉडी को नहीं पता बारबेल उठा रहे हो या डंबल उठा रहे हो या बॉडी वेट कर रहे हो. Our body only cares about two things. Are you pushing sufficient stress on it? Are you putting sufficient stress on it? Are you applying that external force that is sufficient enough कि मसल को सिग्नल जा रहा है कि आप सही तरह से कर रहे हो. एंड दूसरी चीज, हम उसको अडॉप्ट कैसे कर रहे हैं, न्यूट्रिशन के अकॉर्डिंग हम उसको सपोर्ट कैसे कर रहे हैं ताकि वो मसल मास गेन हो सके, हम उसको मेंटेन कर सकें. सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स.
So before we wrap up, just wanted to know, even for our audience and for us also, just to get more idea on the kind of coaching that you do, and you have a program that you follow, right?
Yes.
So do you want to tell us a little bit about
Yeah, for
what
sure.
that is?
So I have my own coaching method called SFF method. That's called as Stay Fit Forever method. उसके अंदर
I like
4
that.
phases हैं. Yeah, उसके अंदर 4 phases हैं. The phase 1 is I do a super detailed analysis of your entire lifestyle. Basically figuring out कि कैसा आपका अभी current lifestyle है, what are the things you are lacking, your basic details about you, what are your goals and all. And I do a super detailed analysis. There's like a 50-60 question questionnaire that I send you to collect all that information about you. Okay. And then along with this, I also give you access to my Fitness Simplified course, which has like 30 video lessons around this whole fitness thing, जिसके अंदर एक बहुत सिंपल लैंग्वेज में इस तरह मैंने सब कुछ डिटेल में आपको एक्सप्लेन किया हुआ है ताकि आपका दिमाग खुले, आपको समझ में आए कि ओके क्या होता है. एंड देन सेकंड फेज इज माइंडसेट ऑप्टिमाइजेशन, व्हिच इज बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द एक्चुअल जर्नी. Once you complete all these 2 phases, then we proceed to the actual fat loss, toning and muscle gain phase, जहाँ पर we are putting in the action. Because now you are equipped with knowledge, you have the right mindset, you are ready, okay, whatever it would take, then we proceed to our phase 3. Once you are done with your fat loss, you have achieved your desired results, फिर आता है 4th phase जहाँ पे मैं अपना एक मेथड इंट्रोड्यूस करता हूँ. It's called as NDP method. That means no diet plan method. That means reverse dieting. मतलब आपको मेंटेनेंस फेज पे लेके आना, आपको ऐसे उस फेज में आप कुछ भी नॉर्मल फूड खा सकते हो. यू आर नो लॉन्गर ऑन अ प्रोग्राम right now, and I'm making you resilient. Okay, this is what you need to adopt to sustain these results. Okay. So these are the 4 phases throughout the whole coaching program. The program can differ between like 3 to 6 months as per your preference. Phases यही रहते हैं. Depend करता है, let's say if someone has a lot to lose, let's say 20-25 kgs, if you are on a very obese category, you would choose the 6-month scenario. If you are like, okay, 8 to 10 kgs, that's achievable within like a 3-month scenario. But again, highly individualistic and depends on the kind of pace you have. So yeah, these are the 4 phases. And when it comes to women, I do have a project called Project Supergirl. In which I'm helping women because they require a different kind of methods and accountability. Because I understand women body is completely different from a male's body. So I do understand that. I've studied a lot about it, those hormone fluctuations and all. So yeah, that particular project is specifically targeting women, and that's where I focus on these areas of your life and all.
That's very interesting. I've not actually come across a program which is so like पहले इतनी coaching mind की होती है before you get into the physical part,
Yes.
which is great. I
Which is
think that's why
great,
your
yeah.
clients are seeing results, and you've coached so
So many already
Yeah,
in the
thanks.
past year. Yes.
Yeah.
So,
Thank you so
I
much.
think all you few you need to follow him on Instagram. We're going to leave
Yes.
the handle below and get to know him more about his program. I'm sure he'll be there to help you out.
And the best part is that he does it all online.
Yes.
So you don't
Yeah.
have to be within a GTA or even Canada if you want to. Anyone
Especially
from US,
all our
Canada.
homemaker friends.
Yeah, for sure. We learned so much as
today.
well.
Yes.
So thank you, Jatin.
Thank you
I
so
know
much.
कि जो time था उससे काफी लंबा
It's
हमने
okay. I
podcast
enjoy
कर
raw
लिया है.
conversations.
But because this is something you're passionate about,
Yeah.
I hope you didn't mind it.
No, not at all. Yeah, I completely loved it.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you
so
for being
much.
on our show.
Yeah,
Thank
you're
you.
welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you learned a lot. I hope a lot of your myths were busted. And I hope you start taking action. Work on your mindset first. Like Jatin mentioned, if you need to reach him, all his details will be in the description below. So please do check that out. Follow him on Instagram because he does share a lot of good, interesting content. And please do subscribe because a lot of our viewers are just watching our videos, not subscribing. If you want more valuable guests like Jatin to come on our show, then you need to subscribe, like, comment, share your views, and share this with every person on all your WhatsApp groups, on all your Instagram groups,
All social
whatever.
media platforms.
All social media platforms. Share it as much as possible and make
Yes,
this viral.
viral.
Fitness, health needs to be viral because it's a lifestyle. So thank you for watching and see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.